Since 1960, Tupelo families have turned to Babyland for the very best baby furniture, bedding, and much more. We offer a huge selection of modern baby things, making it extremely easy to decorate your baby's nursery with the latest trends. We also carry a huge selection of clothing, diaper bags, and all of the hot trendy items that every mom and baby wants. Babyland carries decor by Million Dollar Baby, Baby's Dream, and other top baby lines. Start on our website at www.babylandbaby.com to take a look at our shop, and most importantly, to start or create a registry for your little one. Creating a registry not only allows you the chance to add items to your wish list on the fly, but gives those in your life the chance to shop for the items that you've selected from the comfort of their own home, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Shopping online for your newest addition is a snap, and checking the status of an already placed order is just a mouse click away. Stop in at our retail location on Symphony Lane in Tupelo for a hands-on shopping experience. Our knowledgeable staff is ready and waiting to help you outfit the nursery of your dreams. Contact us at 662-840-2414 or stop in today.